Good day to you and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be walking you through how to set up an automatic savings plan on Cowrywise. What is the first thing to do? Launch and open your Cowrywise app and then log in. So once you have logged in into it, then you have the home, save and invest icons on your home screen. Then you click on save. After this, then you look at your page, you have different options. So save, you click on save by myself, you tap in this plus button. So then you type what do you want to plan for. Let's say assume you want to plan for car, you type in car, I press the enter button, then you continue. So what is your plan? How much do you plan to save per day or per week or per month? Depends on your choice. Let's assume you want to save 3,000 naira daily. Then you click on 3,000 naira a day. For how long do you want to save? Is it 3 months, 6 months, 9 months? You pick your choice. Let's assume you pick for 6 months. After that, you click the enter button and you continue. So Cowrywise is going to summarize to you the amount you want to save per day, if it is interest free or not, the maturity date, the automation every day, and the estimated future amount. So you are going to preview all of these options, then you choose your payment method. Do you want it to be from bank transfer or through your Naira stash? You pick your option and you are good to go. I hope I have been helpful with this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.